Then this buckle floor mat will use a square buckle. The buckle is fastened in this position, and the other end is fastened on another mat. We'll do the same thing we did last time, with 2 floor mats held in place to test the tension.
开始。哎。
As you can see, this buckle product is more stable than the lock product. On the one hand, the thickness of the buckle floor mat product will be thicker. Need to use their own pressure to make more stable. In the second aspect, we mainly look at the strength of the square buckle, so the overall effect of the pavement is better than the locking mat. See you next time.
点赞关注不迷路。